Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya General with Ink, Paper, Scissors. Today I'm sharing a card with you that I made with the Spellbinders Advent Calendar dies from day 23. The dies from day 23 are super cute. It's a cat that is tied to a heart balloon. There are a total of 4 dies in the set. I'm laying the dies out for you so you can see all the pieces that are in it. You'll be able to use these dies all year long. And now let's look at the card that I will be making today. We will also be using the dies from day 17 and the stamp from day 19 today. I'm die cutting the kitty from a muted orange cardstock and the string from gold metallic cardstock. We will need 3 of those strings. Then I'm using a small black square to die cut the kitty's nose out of it. I am also die cutting 3 balloons from different shades of pink. Then I'm nesting my dies from day 17 and die cutting 3 different size frames from white cardstock. If you're using 80-pound cardstock, you could die cut the frames from 2 layers of cardstock at once. You'll want to cut about 10 frames. I'm also stamping my greeting, "Have a sweet day," onto a scrap strip of cardstock in my small Misty. I have a cup with strips of white cardstock next to my desk that I can quickly grab for sentiments like these. Once I'm done die cutting and stamping, I put everything away and get my A2 card base and my frames. Then I'm starting to lay out my frames on the background in a way that they don't touch each other. Once I have them laid out the way I want, I'm taking my Alto New sticky mat so that it will keep my cardstock in place while I'm gluing the frames to my background. Once I have all the frames glued to my cardstock, I'm taking my scissors and cutting the edges off. Some of the edges that are reusable, I'm adding in other places where there's still space. And then it's time to assemble my die cuts. Enjoy the process of me building my background while I'll play some music, and I'll be back later. Once I have my background done and my kitty assembled, I'm placing the balloons and my cat onto the background to position it the way I like it. Then I'm adding foam squares to all the die cuts. And then I'm taking my sentiment strip and my Tim Holtz trimmer to cut the sentiment to the size that I want, which is about 1/4 of an inch wide and 2.5 inches long. Once I have all my pieces ready, I'm starting to adhere them to the card. I'm starting with the balloons as they are at the very top of the card and will help guide me in the spacing of the rest of my die cuts. Once I have all 3 balloons adhered to the card, I'm adding the kitty and making sure that it looks like it is flying up into the sky with 3 balloons lifting it. Then I'm adding my sentiment strip with some foam tape to my card, and my card is finished. Thank you for watching my video and spending your time with me. I hope this video gives you some ideas on what you can do with your advent calendar dies and inspires you. Please press the like button so YouTube shares this video with others. I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel so you are notified when I post another video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer. Thank you and have a blessed day.